Hi guys, today we are going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. I am going to be playing Gerald and the cat, and Vera is going to be playing Piggy. So let's get on to the book.
They're like, achoo. They're showing pictures. And there were 9 schools.
Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems.
Gerald! What do you want to do today?
What do you want to do today? I want to...
Yes. What? Ball, swim, hat.
Sniff.
Are you okay?
Chew. Wait, no. I do not know. Chew.
At the end, we'll go like...
Not, I can't stop. Chew. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze?
You go, chew. Wait, we didn't get that page. What if you try... What if you try sneezing more softly? I barely...
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But, Gerald...
No, do not speak. No, do not speak. It is too late. Hiya! Shoo. Goodbye. Gerald.
Hey, that's my turn.
Oh.
Gerald.
Sniff. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No. No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend.
And
Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold.
right for you. Good for you.
Good for you.
Now that was the end of our story, and
The
we're reading
end.
this book because the coronavirus is around, and at school we normally read a lot of books, so we're happy to share this book with you.
Thank you for reading. Make sure to subscribe.